He doesn't kick now, though.
No, I said when they get bigger. Look, he's following me.
Hi, Noah.
Say hi, Daddy. Happy birthday. Tell him.
Hey, buddy.
Say happy birthday. Oh, look, I'm stretching legs. Oh,
Oh.
oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels good. Yeah.
You want to say hi to anybody up north, Mama?
Hello, grandchildren. How are you? I'm fine down here in the Florida weather. And I'll soon be coming home and shoveling that stuff you're shoveling. Mrs. Noah. It's Saturday morning and it's Uncle Matt's birthday. Let's see, I'll see you in 4 days. Make sure
4
the
days?
house is clean, Eric.
And I hear we've got good grades. So, what, Allison was on second honors, right? So was Eric?
I'm assuming.
You're assuming?
I haven't talked to him.
Oh. So do you want to say congratulations there?
Congratulations, Allison. And I'm assuming Eric.
And we're hoping Carson feels better. Oh, bless you. Bless you.
Sure.
Right, Graham? Carson's got to feel better before you come home.
Yeah. And be good, guys.
We love you.
Love you.
Bye.
See you later.
Okay, bye.